Howdy folks, I got my Harrington & Richardson Topper Jr. model 490 20 gauge 3-inch with a modified choke. I made this out of a leather vegetable tan split to extend the stock a little bit so it fit me better. Got some targets set up just a few yards down range. Got 7.5 shot reload in it. That one was kind of a sticky one. Always want to have a rod with you when you're shooting reloaded shells. This, made a video a couple days ago of loading bird and ball. So we're gonna shoot part of an old one of those stone pizza things, make pizzas on. Gonna see what bird and ball will do to that. Here we go. I think you need to guess where the ball went. Here's another bird and ball. Just gonna aim at a milk jug I got sitting over there. Let me move this bucket quick. Alright, got a milk jug I shot earlier today next to that black bucket there. See if we can see where the bullet hit. Hit the bottom. So I was aiming right here and the ball impacted right there. So about 4 inches low and to the right is where it ended up hitting. So like I said when I was making them, they're not gonna hit exactly point of aim. Usually they do eject. I don't know if my spring's getting weak in there or if I've just shot these reloads too many times, but let's I'm just gonna aim at that piece of plywood I got standing up over there. And I'll take the camera over and we can see where the hole hit. And aim at the one on the right. Right at an edge. It was ejected the last time, so I'm wondering if I don't need to replace the spring. Try just a regular one, just curious. Guess I need to replace the spring in my ejector. That kind of stinks, but all right. Take you over there and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I don't know if you can really see that. Right here is where that ball went. And I was aiming right there. And there's pellets all around obviously, but right there is where the ball went. So it's funny, both the shots that we checked, both of them went low and to the right, but this one isn't as low and it's about 4 inches to the right. So that's how they shoot, and thanks for watching.